Come along guys with me to beautiful country of Bahrain. We're gonna try to do Bahrain in 28 hours. I have like 15 things I want to see, so we'll see if we get to see it all or not.
Oh snap, it's KoKo.
Good morning guys, good morning KoKo. Well, hope you're having a good morning guys, because I'm having a beautiful morning. It's been raining here in Abu Dhabi. So as you can probably guess by the title, I am off to Bahrain today. This is my 32nd country. I didn't think I was ever going to go traveling again after my Southeast Asia tour, only to Hargeisa, but I guess I'm going to Bahrain now as well. As you can probably guess, I'm going very smooth way. Yeah boy. So I got myself a gimbal like I promised, because you guys have been amazing at following me, subscribing, watching my videos, and I passed that 100 like mark. So I said I'm gonna get myself a gimbal. So yeah, this is the gimbal, nice and smooth. I'm loving it. We're gonna get some good footage of Bahrain. So yeah, thank you very much guys for the new subscribers. It shot up like every day. I've had like 1 subscriber. For all the new subscribers, thanks so much for watching, thanks so much for subscribing, and remember, so you know straight away when my new video is going to be uploaded, if you hit that bell button, videos are going to be coming up. Right now, Bahrain, then Hargeisa. Yeah, that's my traveling done. I'm going to move to Hargeisa inshallah. So peace, blessings. Just at the airport right now, just waiting for my security gate to open in Sharjah airport. Quick tip, number 1 is checking online and travel light. I literally just walked straight through security, everything, just no question. That was amazing. Let's go. Peace, blessings. Just checked into my room. As you can see, beautiful roommate. Checked into the junior suite. I was like, why not treat myself? Do you know what I mean? So let me give you a quick tour of my room. So as you can see over here, we got the seating area. Let me show you the rest of the place. Let me show you it. I'm still trying to get into grips with this, but bed. Most important thing is the bed, of course. And the wardrobes. Classic kind of wood wardrobes. You know how I like it. Anyway, it's time for me to eat. I need to get out there. I need to see Bahrain. And oh, you know this place is old when you have this classic AC. Switch off, man. It's making too much noise, man. Too much noise. And I'm gonna enjoy my Subway now. Oh my god, Bahrain. First impressions, this is my first impressions. So taxis, so I'm like, this caught me off guard, right? So I'm like looking for Indians and stuff like that for taxis. Looking around, I heard these guys shout, "Hello, salam alaikum." I'm like, hey, what's up? I didn't say that, but anyway, then Kandura, all Kandura. Anyway, so supposedly in Bahrain, guys in Kandura drive you. I didn't know that. I didn't expect that. So anyway, so I was driving with some Arab Bahraini. When I say Arab guy, he's Bahraini, full kandura and everything. Driving through town, and Bahrain town is, yeah, it's all right. You know, it's not Dubai, but you have tall buildings, random places here and there. But today's video was just about my flight. The next video is going to be me touring. I'm going to try to get out now, right now, before it gets dark. It's going to get dark in an hour. I'm going to try to get out, do as many shots as I can, practice with my new gimbal. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button over there, watch this previous video over here. Guys, thanks so much guys for all the new subscribers out there. I know I love you guys. I see my subscribers are going up. Thanks so much guys for the new subscribers, and for the old subscribers, always, you know, KoKo Squad all the way. Anyway, peace, blessings, skeet skeet, bye.